bougie, ratchet.
Goody in the hoodie vlog. It's your girls right here, Joy here. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back to the gang. Y'all, today, if y'all hear that washing machine, I'm sorry. So I'm trying to talk very loud, period. But yeah, y'all, so I don't know if this is gonna be an entrepreneurship or if it's gonna be a day in my life, but something like that. But y'all, today we just have our breakfast sandwich and some pineapples. But y'all, look, y'all, my package came in with my new play mask. Look at Jet. Go lay down, go lay down. This is bed for right now. But yeah, anyway, like I was saying, y'all, I'm about to eat my breakfast and watch some Love and Hip Hop, and then we're gonna unbox this package, period. All right, y'all, so I don't know if you can hear me because now the dishwasher's going, but I just finished going through all these masks. Okay, they look so good, and I ordered these packaging to pack. This is gonna say I ordered some packaging to put the play mask in. Y'all, so the curls definitely fell, but I think this is the best I've done my hair. Like, it looks really good. But Risen is taking a shower, and hold on. So y'all, Risen is taking a shower and I am doing some homework. So yeah, I'm about to do some homework, so just watch me do that, and then we're gonna go to the mall, period. Let me prop y'all up.
Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down. Baby, we took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town. Baby, where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of beefing you bums, you can't even pay me enough to react. Been waking up in the crib and sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't pay that nigga songs in this party, I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory lap. Hey, shawty come sit on my lap. Hey, they saying Drizzy just snap. This in between us is not like a store, this isn't a closable gap. Hey, I see some niggas attack and don't end up making it back. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. Yeah. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? In the trenches, relax. and I never been embraced. And the money's hard to make, so I bet they on their face right now. When he tell the story, that's not how I went. Know they be lying 100%. Moved out of risk and forgot about that bit. Now they just call me to tell me come get it. Now that boy off and I don't want no credit. If it was me, they wouldn't regret it. Left me for dead and now they won't get it. Heart is still beating, my niggas still eat it. Like you the little let the garden eat it. Pillows hope that I'm spilling the tea. And then Shawty came back and said she didn't mean it. It's hard to believe it. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last. Down bad, what they had didn't last. Damn baby, down bad, what they had didn't last. Damn baby, down bad, what they had didn't last. Damn baby, down bad, what they had didn't last. Damn baby.
Alright vlog, so we are in the car. We're on the way to the mall. We are almost here. And I don't think I'm going to bring the camera in the mall just because I don't have anywhere to put it. So, there's no point in bringing it, right Riz? So, yeah, we're about to go in the mall. About to get some pretzels. About to get me some clothes for our trippy trip. And yeah, so I'll see you guys when I get back in the car, because we still have to go to Whole Foods, and then once we leave Whole Foods, back to the house to go make dinner. So maybe I'll record on my phone because I just don't feel comfortable bringing my camera in there, and that's just on period. So we just left the mall and we're about to go ahead and return this SD card to the Whole Foods and get some juice. But yeah, so I guess just enjoy the music. And yeah, y'all, I got like a whole bunch of stuff and I'll try it on for you guys when we get back to the crib. All right, y'all, so can we say melted? All right, y'all, so I bought a whole bunch of stuff, so I wanted to show you guys everything I got so we can put some outfits together for Hawaii. Y'all, so I know my bra strap's showing, but that's because I'm not taking it off. But here's the dress. I feel like and y'all, I got this purse from Forever. Y'all, I'm so ashy. I got this purse from Forever 21. I think I need some really cute sandals to go with this dress because I'm not sure. But I also got a big bag from, I have a bag from Forever 21. All right, y'all, so this is the next dress. Honestly, I thought it was gonna look really bad. It doesn't look bad at all. You can see my stomach. It doesn't look bad. The only thing about it, y'all, is super short, but I was wearing it as a cover up anyway. Yeah, so like I was saying, it's really cute. I just hate that, like, child, this ain't short. I can't wear this. I need to wear some shorts under it if I'm gonna wear it out, but I'm probably not gonna wear it out. But this is cute. Only thing is, y'all see these shoulders? Y'all, they done put shoulder pads in the thing. But let's go ahead. I'm gonna put on the shorts and show you guys all the tops that I got. All right, y'all, so this is the next shirt, y'all, from Forever 21. It was like $2.50, and these are the shorts from H&M. Give it to him. Give it to reverse. Give it to him. Give it to him. I'm just kidding. But yeah, it's a cute little top just to throw on. Period. Alright, so this one is a bodysuit. It feels so good, y'all. It's supposed to be seamless. I didn't put it on, but yeah, it's a bodysuit. It's cute. And the last one is also a bodysuit, so I'm gonna try this one on. Hopefully this one fit, y'all. I'm ready to stop trying clothes on. Alright, y'all, so this is the last bodysuit. It has this like little clasp detailing, but it's cute. There's a bag. And yeah, something comfortable, and then I'm gonna do my quiz, and then I'll come back to you guys when I'm cooking dinner. All right, vlog, so I just made some chili period. Y'all don't know nothing about eat chili, period. And I'm about to eat, and I just took my quiz, and I got a 9 out of 10. And I'm on live on the TikTok. Period. Period. Girl, I'm making some chili. I just made some chili, y'all. Yeah, but I'm about to eat. Period. What's good, vlog? So I know I've been MIA for like hours, but what happened was, hold on. What happened was, y'all, your girl had posted a video and went viral on TikTok again. Yes, ma'am, I did. I got like 4 sales today. I'm so happy. So yeah, what's going on with YouTube? So the last thing to do today is to do my workout. So I'm about to do my workout. 7 minutes of my time. Loki want to do 2 sets, but not gonna do that. So I'm about to make myself some tea, start the water. And y'all, hello, we hit 600 followers. Can you hold it focus? Period. So I'm about to brush my teeth and make some hot tea. I'm gonna brush my teeth and make some hot tea.
Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby.
Alright, y'all, so my camera is dying right now, so I'm just gonna end this vlog right here. Thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned for my next, and bye.